This video is about removing the adware type application called ExplorerServer. ExplorerServer stands for a new adware attacking Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. This particular adware, in fact, is from the adload family. It attacks Mac computers. This adware is often spread through integration with many free applications. And so in most of the cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If you have found it on your computer, you definitely need to undertake the measures and remove this adware. Check your applications. Right-click on this adware and move it to the trash. Now, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner, so get it on the page combocleaner.com. By the way, you may select your preferred operating system here. Use the green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the software. This is the way it looks like. And so once it gets installed, start researching the computer with its help in order to detect and remove other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.